Hi, my name is Rodney. I'm from India.
My name is Tausif Umar and I am from Pakistan.
Hello, my name is Marie-Thérèse Naime. I'm Lebanese.
I'm Milara Masomi from Mauritius.
Hi, my name is Anam. I'm from Pakistan.
Hi, my name is Subi Surendran. I'm from Dubai.
Yeah, my name is Jowad Tawanda Singambe. I'm a Zimbabwean.
My name is Sherifa Balogun from Lagos, Nigeria.
Exeed College exceeds all expectations.
I'm really proud of my journey. I really enjoyed it.
The reason I did PGCI to improve my teaching skills more into international level. I recommend this course to my colleagues who want to do it.
It was very nice experience with Exeed, and it was
really nice experience that we recommend.
And what is amazing is that we did online classes.
The timing of the program, skills, the knowledge and the ideas I learned in this program are definitely going to help me in my future professional development.
Do this MBA. This is very knowledgeable, convenient. You can do online with your job also, like me.
I'm so glad, and I thank all the Exeed team for this wonderful opportunity.
I must say that it has been a fantastic journey, very enjoyable journey. Would recommend it to anyone.
The online classes was just perfect.
Today, our big day. Thank you so much.
The entire faculties of Exeed College.
Thank you, Exeed College. I'm very proud.
Thanks to Exeed College.
Thanks to the Exeed team.
Thanks to Exeed College.
Thank you to Exeed College. Thank you, Exeed College.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Let's keep rocking. Thank you.